Hi, lovely people. It is your number one RN again right here, and I'm here to answer this question real quick over here. So she's asking this question based on my video on the New York Board of Nursing, and I want you to know that it is a basic requirement for you to do the child abuse identification and recording course, and then the infection control course, whether you have social security or not. So like I explained in the video, if you have social security number, what happens is you can start the application, leave it, go back and do same application, right? But if you don't have the social security, once you open an application and you log out and decide to go and come back to do it, the page closes off. You have to start the whole process again. So for that reason, that's why I advised in my previous video that if you don't have social security, what you do is you do your child abuse and then the infection control courses and get your certificate ready before you start the application, so that you don't get stuck up, go back and come in again. I hope this helps you, right? So if you have social security, you still have to do the course. It is mandatory for the board. Just like other boards take jurisprudence exams and criminal background check as mandatory, it's same with the board. So you have to provide it as part of the requirement before you can write NCLEX with them. I hope this video explains it better for you. If you still have any concerns, just DM me or put it under the video and I will be here to respond to you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to follow me on TikTok, like the video and leave a nice comment for me at least. And then go to YouTube, RN Glory, and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in my live session or in the next video. Bye.